Good job. You really thought you were gonna make that? Picking up the new tires.
4 and 6, you hear that?
Huh?
Front's at 4, PSI, back's at 6.
Okay. Hey, look at this beast.
Change sizes on it.
You can go a little minor, smaller, the base
Check out the K&M Mavericks. With cedar. Yeah, start button. Two exhausts.
Like this right here.
The K&M Outlander.
Keep your hands from getting scratched up.
Wait, I saw this one on the market. I went on their website and I looked up K&M four-wheelers. This is the only one they have in market for Outlander. This is like
It's about the same size as a Rancher.
It is, but so what? It's a K&M. That's all that matters. It's an Outlander. Oh, here's the one I also really liked with the tires. See, I took a picture. I don't know. I like this one too. This Yamaha.
Different style rims.
Holy shit! Look at this one. For which one? This one? Why is this one so expensive? I mean, look, there's not so much more controls and stuff. No, I think it's lightly used. See, look, there's some foot. Well, because they drive it in and out every day. I mean, look at the tire. Never getting stuck.
Yeah, you can see it's been used. Look at
The treads.
they've been scratched up, beat up. It's not new.
Yeah, look, you can see the mud under there, kind of. Still, that's like the price of it new. I don't know why it's that expensive.
Well, if that's the used price, I wonder what the new price is.
Oh man, 20 grand. Snorkel. These are, no, these aren't snorkels. This is the exhaust. No? What the
It's
heck?
either in or out.
I think it's an
Maybe-
air.
Maybe one's the intake, one's the exhaust.
Because like the exhaust is down there.
Oh yeah, that's the end.
Yeah. So let's see. I want to look at this Outlander. So what's one of the cheapest ones? 7 grand, 6 grand. That was the one in Grizzly. Wait, that was 620, 660. Good Outlander. Marine Squad. Polaris Sportsman. 659. I like this one. I like this one. That's my favorite.
Look at the rear axle on that.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
See how high that is? They'll give you some ground clearance compared to the Rancher.
I mean, look, the tires kind of suck on it, but I can make it easily look like that.
See, the Rancher has an axle straight across.
Yeah.
See that how up high that is?
Mm-hmm.
That'll give you more.
Do you mean like this?
Both of these have the rear axles going down.
Yeah.
They're all the new ones are built like that.
I think so. I mean, it's a different brand.
2006, that's 10 years ago. That's 10-year-old machine.
That one is?
No, the one you Look at them new tires.
So, new tires on the Rancher now. We already got tires on that one over there. Yep.
They look big, bold. Big and bold. Dirt grinders. Now, what are those called?
I don't know. Swamp Fox.
Swamp Fox, that's right. The Swamp Fox.
Those things can go really in the swamp. Good job. You really thought you were going to make that? Oh God, don't flip.
That's not them new tires.
You really need to go to Barney for that. Yeah. Don't dig yourself in. That one tire ain't spinning.
Which one?
That one on the other side. Oh, now it is. No match. Oh my God, there's so much mud on that right back tire. Should have sped through that part. Nice job, I put it in neutral. Keep going. Man, you didn't keep going. Dude, you know why? Because look at the other tire. You see no treads. Because your other tire is completely covered in mud. That's why you're not making it. Did you see your back tire? your back tire.
What, it's full of mud?
Yeah, no wonder why you weren't making it, because there's no tread left to freaking move.
It's all full of mud, huh?
Yeah.
Throw the mud off.
So there you go, guys. That was just me riding around a little bit. Those are the brand new tires on the Rancher. I still need to find that piece, by the way. So yeah, these things are a beast. I have not took them to Barney yet, but I'm going to take it to Barney tomorrow to see how it all works out. As you can tell, the tires still look a lot more cleaner than the machine does. So yeah, this is Swamp Fox. These guys make some awesome tires. Swamp Fox really just is awesome at it. They're a beast. So yeah, those are the treads, and I'm looking to go to West Virginia here real soon. Maybe 2 weeks from now, because I got some stuff to do next week for 4th of July and stuff like that. So yeah, maybe in about 2 weeks we'll take her down to West Virginia and really test these babies out. 'Cause I think it's really gonna be hard to get stuck now. Yeah, but I just looked at winches at Motorcycle Max, as you saw earlier in the video. They wanted $300 for the winch, and then plus the mounting, which is $150. I'm like, you got to be kidding me. But I don't know if I really need a winch, because there's not really no place to get stuck out here. And if we do get stuck out here, we got straps. I don't know about West Virginia. It could be a whole different story in West Virginia. So yep, those are the new tires on the Rancher, and looking to have some great future ATV trips on the way. Victor the Gorilla is on his way tomorrow, and he helped me out with something, and I'm really happy that he did. So I'm gonna let him drive this tomorrow. Finally, I know everyone's saying, well, why don't you let him drive? Why don't you let him drive? Well, I don't know. It just takes a lot of trust, but you know, he's rode with me the most out of everyone. So yeah, I trust him. So he's gonna take it for a spin tomorrow with the brand new tires. So yeah, he should be over by tomorrow. We should have some awesome videos at Barney. And yep, that's just about it. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more details. See you guys in the next video. Peace.